someone with a darker skin tone came to me and said, oh, what do I need to use for my skin? The advice I would give them will not be necessarily for somebody with a fairer skin. So it's all individualized, based on skin types. But then also saying that using something or not using something can just be determined by its characteristics. Same with essential oils, same with things for scrubbing. So for example, because I'm dark skinned, if I have a bruise, that bruise is actually going to stay for a very long time. I have difficulty getting rid of bruises. But then people with fair skin, they don't have a problem with bruises. Their bruises just go very easily. So how I treat my skin or what I put on my skin has to be very different from what somebody else, of a different, skin type or uses. Same thing with oils. Same, if you look at our skin, mostly people with a darker skin tone, we've got larger pores. We are prone to having larger pores, and that is why our skin is oilier. So if someone says that they've got oily skin, I would actually want to look at their skin and see whether is it natural, is it because of your large pores, or is it now because there's something else going on there with your skin? Because then there's also lifestyle. There's also, is this person gardening every day, or is this person staying inside the house? And what I would give or prescribe will not necessarily be the same. But then that's just the thing about skincare. You don't want to generalize. Thank you for coming on. If you come on later, please leave your questions, and I will see you guys. Bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.